Welcome to Motorcycle News Channel. Honda has finally announced that the all-new Super Cub C125 ABS will be hitting U.S. dealerships in January 2019. This iconic ride brings the same 124.9cc power plant that drives the popular Grom, coupled with the semi-automatic, clutchless shifter and 4-speed gearbox that delivers the same ease of operation that helped to make the original such a hit. A disc front brake and ABS help bring the classic design up to modern standards. Honda powers the Super Cub with a 124.9cc, air-cooled thumped, the same one used in the Grom. While the factory is typically tight-lipped about performance, we know that the Grom gets a new engine in 2019 and that the 18 version produced 9.7 horsepower and 8.04 pound-feet of torque. Looks like Honda plans on letting go of the C125 Super Cub for the everyday low price of $3,599 to put it well within the entry-level range. You can get any color you want, as long as you want pearl Altava blue with a red seat and whitish leg guards.